my back now, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sound copter. These are the materials you will find in the packaging. These are the 3 blades, blade connector, balloon holder, balloon. Step 1. Take up the blade connector. See these 2 dots? And see this in the blade. Align those together and snap. Repeat for the other 2 blades. Next, keep the blade rotor aside. Take the balloon on the short end of the balloon holder. Open the balloon like this, stretch it a few times, and then keep it close to the balloon holder and attach. Takes a little time to do this. Okay, as you can see, I've done it. Then stretch this part of the balloon, stretch it a few times. Then blow by the long end. Then pinch the part of the balloon. Take the blade rotor along the end of the balloon, attach it to this part. Then find an open area and let go. Yes, we got it back. And now, why did it go up? Why did it make the sound? I'm going to explain the science behind it. Okay, so when you let go, the air travels through this and then goes through the balloon holder and into the whistle. The whistle, while the air goes through it, it makes the sound. And then, when the air is done passing, it goes through the tube in the blade. And then it goes out of this small hole. And since the blades are pointed down, it goes down. The copter goes up. And it's an example of Newton's 3rd law. And it's also pointed a little bit. So when it pushes, it goes here, which also makes the copter spin. And that's the science behind it.